The online course business has exploded in the last couple of years, especially last year. Thinkific is one of the leader online course platforms that you can use to host your courses. Today I'm going to show you how to actually create a Thinkific account and experiment with the platform. But before I do that, if you want to learn how to generate qualified leads and bring the right people to your offers so that you can convert more strangers into happy customers, plus grow your business, click the link below and get your free guide where I present you the exact steps I use for generating qualified leads for my own businesses. And now, let's get back to our topic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Thinkific account. Under this lesson, you should have the link to Thinkific, so click on it and let's start creating your Thinkific account. Put your first name and last name, your email address, then choose a password. Select I'm not a robot, if you are not one. Then if you are lucky, like me in this case, select some tractors. Then click on Create Account. Here you should take this little survey and select what better describes you. Are you already teaching online? Let's say I'm teaching online, but do not yet have an online course. The next question is regarding your email list. You can choose the answer that better fits you. And let's change that. Let's say that I have a course ready, but I'm the beginning of my online business. So I'll select that I'm just starting out, but I already have my course ready. Here you can choose how to identify yourself and the industry you are in. I'm going to continue with the invented scenario of me being a specialist in meditation. Therefore, I can choose between health and fitness or personal development. They seem closer to what I'm supposed to teach. You should select what's closer to what you teach. Where did you hear about Thinkific? Let's say in a course about how to create a profitable online course by Adrian Milea. See what I did here? Okay, now let's click on Start Creating Courses. And there you are. You have a new free Thinkific account. If you followed along with the video, by now you should have a new Thinkific account. If not, your assignment is to create a Thinkific account following the steps I showed you in this video. After you finish creating your account, I'll see you in the next video.